Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G42 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, let's tap on them and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, and then in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill the part after the add symbol. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What's more, you can tap on more details to learn more, of course. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just finish by tapping on turn on. And here we've been transferred to another backup section, so you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details. So basically you can check what has already been backed up, and here you can manage advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you will avoid some charges. To finish everything we have to tap on backup now, and your device is right now backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.